Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Koinly, a comprehensive crypto tax platform review. Navigating the complexities of cryptocurrency taxation can be daunting. Koinly simplifies this process, offering a user-friendly platform ideal for individual investors, active traders, and even tax professionals. Find links to Koinly and related resources in the description below. One of Koinly's most powerful features is its seamless integration with over 600 exchanges, wallets, and DeFi platforms. This allows for automatic importing of transaction data, eliminating the tedious manual entry and drastically simplifying tax calculations. This automation is especially beneficial for users who trade across multiple platforms or engage in more intricate crypto activities such as staking and yield farming. Koinly automatically calculates capital gains and losses, income from various sources, and other pertinent tax-related events, providing a comprehensive overview of your crypto portfolio's tax implications. The platform also generates tailored tax reports for over 20 countries, ensuring compliance with specific jurisdictional requirements. Whether you're filing as an individual or managing taxes for your business, Koinly delivers customized reports in formats accepted by tax authorities, including IRS forms for US users. The platform's intuitive interface caters to both novice and experienced users, enabling quick and efficient report generation. A detailed transaction breakdown enhances transparency and understanding, making it easy to verify the accuracy of the calculations. Koinly offers a range of pricing tiers, from a free plan with limited features for smaller portfolios to premium options for high-volume traders and tax professionals requiring advanced features like unlimited transactions and direct access to tax experts. Security is a paramount concern for Koinly. The platform utilizes robust encryption and secure data storage protocols to safeguard your sensitive personal and financial information. Furthermore, a responsive customer support team is available via email and live chat to assist with any questions or issues you may encounter. In summary, Koinly stands out as a reliable and efficient crypto tax platform for both individuals and professionals. Its effortless integration with various exchanges, coupled with its ability to handle complex crypto tax scenarios, makes it an invaluable tool for maintaining tax compliance in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. Click the link in the description below to get started with Koinly today.